I'm Katie, and I'm doing a cooking trial, just an easy dinner.
Tutorial.
Whatever. If you're not allowed to use the stove or oven, but you are allowed to use the microwave and you're home alone. So, I'm going to heat up a hot dog for, I don't know how long.
A minute.
How clear.
Minute. Okay, good.
Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm going to get a tortilla out.
What size of tortilla is it?
It doesn't matter.
Just a soft taco tortilla.
It really doesn't matter. So, put some cheese on.
We're using some Mexican style cheese.
Okay.
Make sure that's spread across really good.
Put spices on it.
What kind of?
I don't know. Smell
What
which
is
one
this?
looks. Smell which one smells best.
Okay, this and yeah, just that.
So we're gonna
Just a
put
little bit.
some seasoned salt on if it will come out.
Okay, that's way enough.
No, I know what I'm doing. There.
Okay.
Okay. And
It's just
salt
some
and pepper?
seasoned salt. No, hold on, I'm pausing it. Okay, now we're adding a little bit of lemon peel.
If I can open it.
Okay, just in the chance of flavor. Your hot dog's done.
Oh yeah, and our hot dog is done.
Careful, it's
Very
like destroyed.
Yeah.
I told you 1 minute, and you.
It still works.
It's just overly cooked. That's okay. Just don't overcook yours. There's more utensils. Okay, we're using a sharp knife.
I farted. I know, I shouldn't talk like that.
Potty talk.
I need a fork.
We're open 24/7.
Shut up. Okay, so cut the hot dog up.
Into tiny little pieces.
Big chunks, whatever.
You can use any kind of meat. Not really.
Yeah, you can use chicken bits from last night's dinner that you really didn't like. Trust me, it'll make it a lot better. So just arrange them on your seasoned
Cheese.
thing. Then, pop it in the microwave
30 seconds.
or until the cheese is melted. Be careful, the hot dogs are still hot. I should spread them out a little bit more. That's good. No, stop rolling.
30 seconds to start.
Okay. Okay, so our quesadilla is fun, so we side fold it. Side fold it again. Side fold it. Side fold it and fold it again. There, little burrito.